Hi friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, adverbs. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you a definition for adverb. An adverb is a word, a set of words that modifies verbs, adjectives and other verbs in a sentence. It answers when, where, and how an action is performed or indicates the quality or degree of the action. Already we have discussed about adjectives. Adjective is a word which modifies the noun. It gives some special quality to the noun. And here adverb is a word which qualifies the verb. It gives additional information to the verb. And here I have given you few examples for adverb. I love her very much. He is running fast. Alex works hard. He wrote that willingly. In these examples, very much, fast, hard and willingly are adverbs. And these adverbs modifies the verb. Here I have listed out the types of adverbs. Adverbs of time or frequency. It answers for the question when. Adverbs of place or direction. It answers for the question where. Adverbs of degree, it answers for the question how much. Adverbs of manner, it answers for the question how. Let's discuss one by one briefly. Adverbs of time or frequency. Adverbs of time or frequency indicate time or frequency of the action in the sentence. They answer the question when or how frequently is the action performed. Always, never, often, eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, once, forever, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, 10 a.m., 12 pm and etc. are common words which we used in adverbs of time or frequency. Here I have given you few examples. I went to school a little late yesterday. He always gets a good result. I will leave Monday. In these examples, yesterday, always and Monday are adverbs and it indicates the time. So, it comes under the adverbs of time or frequency. The next type is adverbs of place or direction. Adverbs of place or direction that indicate place or direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? Here I have listed out few words which we commonly use in adverb of place or direction. Across, over, under, in, out, through, backward, there, around, here, sideways, upstairs, in the park, in the field, in that place and etc. are some common adverbs of place or direction. And here I have given you few examples for adverb of place or direction. I went through the jungle. He plays in the field. Alex is going to school. He is staying at my home. In these examples, through the jungle, the field, school, and my home are adverbs. And these words indicates the adverb of place or direction. And the third type is adverbs of degree. Adverbs that express the importance or degree or level of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of degree. They answer the question, how much is the action performed? Completely, nearly, entirely, less, mildly, most, thoroughly, somewhat, excessively, much, and etc. are common adverbs of degree. Here I have given you few examples for adverbs of degree. She completely forgot about her birthday. I read the newspaper thoroughly. I am so excited about the new job. Robin hardly studies. In these examples, completely, thoroughly, so, and hardly are adverbs, and these words indicates the adverbs of degree. And finally, we are about to see adverbs of manner. Adverbs that express the manner or approach or process of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, how is the action performed? Here I have listed out few words which we commonly use in adverbs of manner. Beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, handily, quickly, coldly, hotly, reasonfully, earnestly, nicely, tirelessly, and etc. are common adverbs of manner. And here I have given you few examples for adverbs of manner. Let's divide the prices equally. Please handle the camera carefully. Mike is walking slowly. He is running fast. In these examples, equally, carefully, slowly, and fast are adverbs, and these words indicates the adverbs of manner. Here I have given you few exercises. Find the adjectives of all the sentences and fill in the blanks with the corresponding adverb. Try to convert all the adjective words into adverbs. Here I have given you some more examples. Find out the adjectives and fill the dash with adverbs. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.